I'm Lavina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul unboxing video just to share with everyone what is it that we purchased. We refers to me and my friend, we combined our orders we purchased during this recent Sephora sale. Every single item that I'm going to be showing you has a 25% off, and there was a catch though. You need to spend minimum $300 to be eligible for the 25% off if you are a gold card member. I think this gold, gold, black or white membership is something I don't know if it applies to all the Sephoras all over the world or is it only specific to region, because I know that Malaysia has it and Singapore has it. My package has arrived. This is the package. There's something that I really don't like about Sephora packaging is the amount of paper wrappings that they have. We are trying to do something for the environment. We shouldn't have to have so much of paper in packaging itself. I know everyone wants to protect whatever we are buying, but look at this. I don't see this to be unnecessary. It seems a lot better compared to my last Sephora haul where I had a lot of packaging, like paper. Already the items are covered, and then you have on top of the box you have more covered. Alright, let's not waste any more time and get down to business. No random order, you just saw me opening the box. So this is Plex. This is a intensive bond building hair treatment and it repairs all type of damaged hair. So if you do have damaged hair, you can get this. Alright, first thing down. This is your benefit. Good proof brow pencil. This is the full size and this is the half size, the trefoil size. Easy for carrying. Put it in your purse, and yeah, this are the two. If you want a cheaper one, you can check it out at my online shop. I'm available on Shopee and Lazada. I'm selling it for a slightly cheaper price. And this is the beauty blender. I just took it off from the box and do notice Sephora has given me a broken packaging. So this is scratched. I am a bit disappointed. I'm not sure if it got cracked when it was being delivered. Top part is also not okay, or Sephora did it, because it seems like it must have been done on Sephora's side. This is correct. We will get that rectified. Then I have this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drop. This is basically for brightening. I got this. This is my first time to be using this. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but the reviews on this were amazing. People raved about it. And then the sparkle. Oh, they have two uses. One is to attain maximum glow, another one is for a natural glow. I have to go for maximum glow. So to get maximum glow on a no makeup day, I need to apply 1 to 2 pumps at the last step of my entire routine. Okay, that means if I'm going out in the day, do I apply my sunblock first and then apply this because this is the last step, or do I where else if I want to have a more natural glow, then I would have to do this before skincare. Oh, this is the last step in my skincare before makeup. Oh, okay, it's a priming step. Alright, so excited to try this out. Next thing I have is also by Glow Recipe. I am not familiar with this brand. After I tried out their eye cream, I'm legit believe it works, or maybe it's a placebo effect. Maybe it's all in my head because I have been a Kiehl's user for the longest time, and then I've also used Estee Lauder, alternate between Kiehl's and Estee Lauder. Both are not exactly cheap. They don't actually produce eye cream that's relatively cheap. You can get cheaper ones in the market, but that did not work out for me. After when my friend suggested that maybe I can try out the avocado eye cream by Glow Recipe, within few days I noticed a difference. I believe Glow Recipe works for me, and this is their brightening soothing pineapple C bright serum. This is how it looks like. Again, the reviews were amazing. I want to believe that all those ladies and boys who left reviews for this product were genuinely trying to help a sister out. The way to use it is to apply 1 to 2 drops on clear skin, gently pat it for optimum absorption. You can apply during night, during day with a moisturizer, and during the day you have to use sunblock. I'm not sure if this has retinol, but excited. excited to use this and to look pretty. And if you follow my channel, if you've watched my other videos, you probably know that I rave about this a lot. This is the toner, and this is your fresh eye cream. I'm currently using the one by Glow Recipe. One for my friend, one for me. The one that we wanted to get is actually Glow Recipe because after I told her it kind of works on me, she wants to try it out. But unfortunately, we were waitlisted. She went around to do some research, and again, this was one of the eye cream. Was actually one of the recommended eye cream, and I'm excited to also try it out. And the last thing that I received is this one from Sephora. This is a USB humidifier. This is a free gift. It's a Sephora gift with purchase. It has a cigarette-looking thing, USB chargeable. Just I think put in your essential oil and water, turn it on, and it's supposed to be magic. Oh, and the last thing was this Kat Von D eyeliner. I think this packaging is a limited edition packaging. I might be wrong. I am not sure, but this is not the regular black packaging that you get with a tattoo liner. It's waterproof, it works, it makes you look pretty, it makes you feel like Kat Von D. Who doesn't want it? Who doesn't need it? Even if you don't want it, you need it. So that's about it. That's all we have for now. This was our Sephora haul for 2021. I think Sephora is gonna have a couple more other sales over the next few months as we move on. So that is all I have to share with you guys today. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share. Maybe it could be helpful to someone who's looking out for reviews. That's all. I hope everyone stay blessed, stay happy. Till next time. Goodbye.